Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to correct language morning work for quarter 4, week 3 for Wednesday. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. It says, label the parts of speech of the underlined words. So our sentence is, hot lava spews upward from the volcanoes on Io. All right, so we have the words hot lava spews upward and volcanoes and Io. Okay, so we're going to determine which part of speech each of those are. All right, so we have the word hot first. We know that hot is not a noun, it's not a person, place, or thing, but it describes those things. So that is going to be an adjective. Then we have the word lava. Lava is a thing, so that's going to be a noun. That is not a good, let me erase that, try again. All right. And so that's going to be a noun. Then we have spews. So the lava spews. So that's an action word. It tells what the lava is doing. So that's going to be a verb. And then we have upward. So upward is actually telling you where the lava is spewing. So it's describing where the spewing is happening. So that is an adverb. ADV, adverb. Then we have the word volcanoes. We know a volcano is a thing, so that's going to be a noun. And then we have a proper noun for the name of the island. And so that is going to be a noun as well. All right, the second one, change each noun from singular to plural. Okay, so we have child. So child is singular. It's one child. So if we have more than one child, then we say that is children. Okay. And bench. If we have more than one bench, we have benches. And remember when we have that CH ending? That CH means that we're going to have to add ES to the end to make it plural. All right, I'm going to try. Nope. BENCHES. So we have that ES. Erase that. Okay, ES there. All right, benches. Which word could be found on this page of a dictionary? All right, so I'm going to move this up a little bit. All right, so we're looking at the words chow, champion, or chin, and we want to know which of those words could we find between these two guide words. So this is going to be at the top of one page, and this is going to be at the bottom of the second page. So this is like alphabetical order. So we're going to look at chow. They all start with CH. This has an O, so we have to look here. This also has an O, but this one has a W and this one has an R. W is going to come after R, so chow would actually be after the word chore, so that's not going to be found on this page. The next word is champion. We have a CHA, just like here, CHA. And this word has an R and this word has an M. So M comes before R, so champion would be on the previous page, which means that for this one, it's going to be chin that is going to be found on this page. So the CHI can be found between the CHA and the CHO. All right, the next one, which word means to pay back? So we are looking at our words from Monday over here. We're trying to find out which word means to pay back. So we're going to look for a word that maybe has the word pay in it. And I see the word repay. Okay, so to pay back means we're going to repay someone. Okay, so here we're going to put repay. All right, repay. The next one says underline the conjunctions in the sentence. This one's a little bit tricky. The conjunction, it says when spacecraft traveled to Jupiter, it discovered the planet had faint rings. Okay, so the conjunction is actually telling us about time. So when the spacecraft traveled to Jupiter, it discovered the planet had faint rings. All right, so we're going to go ahead and underline that. When. All right, let me move this down just a little bit more here. All right, which is correct, shorter or short est? Remember we have that ER ending or an EST ending. We use an ER when we're comparing two things, and we use the EST when it's more than two things. So we have Jupiter has the shorter day of all the planets, less than 10 hours long, or Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets, less than 10 hours long. So we're comparing Jupiter to all of the other planets. So that's going to be more than two. So Jupiter has the shortest. All right, so shortest. Awesome. And I just realized that on Mondays and Tuesdays, I didn't scroll all the way down to get this last one. So let's jump back to Monday. Monday said the root fin means end, last, or limit. So we're going to use that to help us in these other two boxes. So fin, the FIN part means end, last, or limit. So when is the finale of a show? Okay, so if we know that it means end, okay, so we are going to look, is it going to mean the finale is the beginning of a show, the middle, or the end of a show? And it is going to be the end of a show. All right, and then for today's, what does the underlined word mean? This is the final draft of my story. So is the final draft, is it the first draft, the last draft, or the longest? So if I look back on Monday, I see last is one of the meanings. So it is going to be last. All right, so that is it for Wednesday. And I hope you join me for Thursday's video as well.